Hello kids, how are you? Now, today we are going to study the structure of atom, in which we study only a little topic, that is discovery of electron. So, let us see structure of atom, and in this chapter we study the discovery of electron. Discovery of electron. So who will discover the electron? That is our scientist named as J.J. Thomson. J.J. What will he do? J.J. Thomson, for discovery of electron, he will perform a experiment. That experiment name is cathode rays discharge tube experiment. His name cathode rays discharge tube experiment. Cathode ray discharge tube experiment. What he will do in cathode discharge tube experiment? He will take a tube. And in this tube he will discharge a gas, and that gas is helium, and you will take any gas, discharge the helium gas, and both side of the tube is closed by a plate, metal plate, and fit the electrode into this metal plate, and upside this tube a vacuum pump is fitted. After that, he will connect the both of the electrode through a battery, providing the current electricity. This is battery, positive terminal, negative, and here what we see, it is electrode, and from this battery he will provide 10,000 volt of current electricity. He will provide the 10,000 volt of current electricity, and what we see, that after providing 10,000 of current electricity in this discharge tube, the gas present in the discharge tube will ionize. Suppose this helium will ionize into He plus and release electron. So after some time, J.J. Thomson observed that there is rays that comes from this plate and goes towards this plate. There is rays that is originated from this plate and goes towards this plate. So from this experiment, J.J. Thomson conclude that there is something that is originated from this plate and goes towards this plate. It means this rays that is originated named as cathode rays. And what he absorbed in this cathode rays, he absorbed that from this cathode rays he absorbed the nature of electron. That is, what will be the nature of electron. So we generally see that this plate is connected to the positive terminal, and the rays that is originated from this plate is goes towards this positive terminal. It shows that that there is something in this rays that nature will be negative, so it is attracted towards this positive plate, because we know that similar charge is always repel each other and opposite charge will always attract each other. It means this cathode rays have nature of electron, that is negative charge, so it is polarized towards positive charge. So generally we can say that the cathode rays give the nature of electron. It is not these rays does not contain electron, but it will give you the idea that what is the nature of electron, and the nature will be negative charge. And in this way, negative charge is known as electron. In history, firstly electron name is negatron, and after that the electron. So in this way we say that the J.J. Thomson discovered our electron. And generally in examination question will ask that what is the properties of cathode rays. So we generally say that cathode rays moves in a straight line without any deviation. Second point, we will added in our properties that cathode rays originated perpendicular. Look, here is cathode rays originated perpendicular to the emitted perpendicular to the electrode. And third point, we generally mention that cathode rays, nature of cathode rays. What will be the nature of cathode rays? So this is the most important point. We generally noted that what will be the nature of cathode rays. Generally we mention that cathode rays does not depend upon the gas taken in discharge tube. Whatever be the gas, I will take helium gas, you will take neon gas, and another gas, that is hydrogen gas. Cathode rays does not depend on nature of the gas taken in a discharge tube. And the second one you will also mention, cathode rays also does not depend upon the material of the electrode taken in a discharge tube. Means whatever the material of the electrode you will take, cathode rays will always going to be originate if we apply this term of the voltage of current luxity. So we generally say that whatever the material of the electrode, cathode ray has no problem for it. Okay, there, that is our the cathode ray discharge tube experiment. So I think we will get the point. And you will also say that what is electron? Electron is a negative charge particle. Its relative charge is minus 1. Its relative charge is minus 1, and its relative mass is 1 by 840 U. What is U? Atomic mass unit. It is atomic mass unit. And what is the its original mass? Original mass, its relative mass, and its original mass of electron is 9.1 into 10 to the minus 31 kg. And what will be the original charge of electron? That is minus 1.6 into 10 to the minus 92. This is the all information about the electron. Thank you.